Yeah, I want to say thank you. I'm not with it, doesn't left me. And I don't start to. Tomorrow now, my name go K for this lover. I beg. You know, say these days, my name, thank God, my name don't come up from media, don't come up for blogs more. If you know how they pray every day, Father Lord, change this story. Change this story. God go answer my prayer. My neighbor Two-Face, my name go enter. my neighbor, people come they call me, hey why? Have you checked on your neighbor? Check on your neighbor. I said, check what? When my own happen, you check on me. Say, check on your neighbor. No. Anyway, that one don't pass. It's still trending. Yeah. Because the one, but una too like gist. Why una be like this? Una just wake up. Waiting they happen. Which celebrity they go down today? Una like this. And it is a sweet to now. What una won't believe? Now won't just believe. Hey, you're too much. You and that your wife. They go take picture. They don't want kill us. Single people who want to die. Okay, now I don't single. What you again? Huh? Say check on your neighbor. Neighbor will not check on me. Oh, it's okay. Now, what you hear? Before we hear honorable, off the mic. Honorable, off the mic. Now, honorable. The beat where you put for my picky hand and neck, come out. Now we hear now.
All right. I want to give advice to what's going on there now. You go, you don't know person the person we never stay table before. So I do they misbehave. Hello, Cider Board, sit down. You calm down. If you dey here and for some reason you need to collect your friend's wife number, maybe because of the work which they do, I give you this advice. No ever collect your friend wife. Obaro, come on now, they distract me. If you collect your friend wife number, no ever save her with that your friend name first. For example, Michael won't collect Jacob wife number because of her business. No go write down Jacob wife. Any day when you see Jacob babe, you know say WhatsApp, you go type Jacob, yeah, you don't begin type, but you just see that your babe now. You don't go see my wife in the tat. You're going to say, which one? Say, that black one now for Ajay. Say, you go right, I get two babe for Ajay. Which one you see? The guy, they bury him on Thursday. You think kill him? Baba, then go chat in wife. Avoid another thing where you go do. If you want marry, or you get spouse, where on a go to do wedding. You see, for everybody phone, you get one app and then they call my eyes only. You go hide picture, you hide video. I avoid that. Spoil my guy marriage. They very back. Say, baby, I want to see you on my eyes only. The guy drag. The girl collect the phone. Come they search. By the way, when then they date, the girl say they no go knock until they marry. So the girl don't know the size of a... The girl can't see one video for the phone. Man and woman. For the guy room and the guy bedsheet. But in face no show. The girl begin cry. So you've been cheating on me. She call all her sisters, then gather. We hold you on high esteem. Why would you do this to our sister? The guy they explain, no be me and my guy. Then say no. Because the girl no decide. Family full parlor. Then they out of frustration and the guy pulling. Trouser, now whole phone say, oh yeah, look this prick now. No, look. Look this prick. Ah, bro. I don't check, I don't know the secret of success. These big men, na very little thing. Then they collaborate. CK lead now. They do drink, they do seasoning, they do real estate, one hand, they do many business, they put hand for other businesses. See Jacob Dynasty, they say one of the most expensive suits. If you know say you go break up later, no go buy In suit cost. Quality suit. He get club. He go be friend now with another person where they sell drink. We go to supply for a club. See Mike Okoloba, he get hotel. Then go collaborate. My papa time. My father they repair fridge. All in friends they repair fridge. How I want take grow? How? Now there poison starts now because he repair big fridge passing friend. Friend go come and say, Ukwaba shoe, Ukwaba. I want to poison this guy now. Bro, musicians and other people where they just to do rhyme. See that song where Mark need to sing, say, give me car, give me keys, get belly, give me kids, Rolls Royce, give me kids. Now I sing, now I say, give me head, give me teeth. If they give you head, give you teeth, go, if you continue that song. Now they do rhymes, they do. Last, how many weeks ago, it was Osime's birthday. Then Nigeria will go club. DJ, they play song. You know how you could just take club? Out of reflex, you could just sing the song with DJ, they play. You take club, you home away, they dance. The next thing now, here, I don't want to be a player no more. My wife tell us, you don't want to be player, how would take the fifth family? You shouldn't be saying, no one be player. If you don't be player, you go keep out. I want to feed them, Papa. No be here, they allow me to kill everybody, Papa, for song. You and your papa they alive, you go take club, you no go know when you sing. Since I lost my father and I him, you don't, and your papa they alive. Tell me, another girl, on I notice say, after they go say girls, everybody they find husband. You notice say almost all tennis song. Now man, she they try appeal to. I slap police for your case. I go to war for your case. I clap the judge for your case. For your case, you lele. The boy no answer. She entered the next song. I go be your superwoman. Money day, money no day. Bama. The boy lock up. She entered another song. If to say I get the superpower, oh, I for come meet you where you day. I invite you.
They say,
hold on.
Money don't buy you.
When I enjoy for this Lagos, no be sure now pay like this. Everybody pay table. Some people no even come. They don't pay for the table, no come. Spend money for no reason. For that our side, God forbid bad thing. May we even buy regular 5,000. It's too expensive. Laugh don't cost 18. For that side. Person put in show, laughing stock. In still collect money. For that side, if we pay 2,000 naira, I swear to God, I leave Baba go perform. See Lagos here now. I see put this show now. Una no care to know who come, who no come, so long as the show is sweet. She can now, for that our side, they pay to 2,000. They go on the show 11 a.m. When a person day here pay 2 million for table, when they come around 10 p.m. Wasted resources. We pay 2,000, we start to laugh from 12 in the afternoon till 12 in the night. Again, the way M.O.P go perform, we know like I go perform again, we punchy. My heart end 2,000, for that our side, you don't ever go show for a place like Sokoto. Now Sokoto, I go do show. Regular 1,000. They still price up. The boys then just gather come and like 11 a.m. They'll come when they'll face agree to now and say, yeah, they senior man. Well done, organizer. Poor new comedian, Seri Kikena. All this hailing so that 5 p.m. then go enter for free. Now, as the show don't start around 5, 6, you know, let them enter, they know they talk, you know, then they get one when they lead them, that one will just work out. Go hail MC, say, MC. Go speak one English. God bless you, Jesus. Very funny MC. We therefore hear her in case she no fool. Around 9 p.m. now, they'll come go na bounce and then go meet. They'll come meet bounce and come tell them, senior man. Yeah, they. We don't check inside me and my friends. We see never full. How far? We can fill in the gap. Hey, therefore here, no problem. We know the rush. Yo, around 11, they'll go look again. Yeah, and they senior one. Mazamu shigawa, and no go enter. Wasted space. Look at it. No full, we say no full. Now we go full on. You know, go understand. God go help you. Say that they don't go decide. Say don't go buy the ticket. 1,000 kwang. They know there's nothing concerned them with front seat. Now for back, where they feed the gossip you. As the comedian just on stage, performing this, young chief. As in the entire go say, yeah, ne Raman, why one nam say young chief, young chief. She don't perform. Don't go tikam. Then they use their money to more be that. That 1,000 where they pay each comedian 15 naira. Say performing this, a do picking. Say, don't borrow by do picking. One now by the beginning, but no be beginning. She come from pony guy. A zo picking. Tick out. M.O.P go come perform. They say M.O.P go say, no, now this one she get show. For this one, put a 100 naira. Tick out. Now, as they tick, they go don't notice say they don't tick all the name. One go see answer say, Kai. They don't cheat us. He gave person when they never perform. Now the one boy say, yeah, M.O.P. Kwankoloza. They want to cheat boys. What's going on? I see everybody she don't perform. What of anime more? Is it?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.